Hello, welcome. Good morning and welcome to studio for the Let's Come and share face video because it's amazing. Bro, look at that. What is face? This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in 2023. And this is how it looks like. Can you see this? This phone is still good. Still great, it works. If you want to buy this, you can do it. There are S Pen also. With your S Pen, you can do what you want to do, and this is cool, my friend. But what I'm here to talk about is not the phone. It's just his case. Yes, this is the case that I bought few months ago. Yes, I bought this. Everything work, but it's not black. This is why I decided to buy this new case. Yes, you can see silicone cover. Silicone cover. Can you see this? Wow. This is more information about this. Can you see this? Okay. I'm here to test this silicone cover on my phone, bro. Just to see how it will work. Can you see this? As you can see here, it's so different. It's so different. You can see here is closed, here is open. The problem with this is that sometimes when you want to zoom, there are problems. You need to clean. You need to remove this first and clean many time camera to have good autofocus. This is something I don't like. But when it's done, everything works perfectly. Yes. Okay. So let's remove this old case. Look at how it looks like. Can you see this? Okay. As you can see, it's silicone case. Good. And now let's see the phone. See how it looks like. Look at the camera. How it's dirty. Let's try to clean this with lotus quickly. Yes. Okay. Now it's good. Nice. Okay. Cool. And oh, look at what I have here. Wow, more information about this silicone cover. Okay, nice. New silicone cover for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I'm going to remove this thing, bro. I don't know. Oh, can you imagine? Wow, look at how it looks like inside. Can you see this? Damn. This is not bad. Okay, let's try the color black. Can you see this? Nice. This is black. Total black. Let's remove it. Oh, look at inside. Can you see this? it feels really like silicone, bro. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. Look at inside. Okay, now let's compare with the previous version. Wow, this is really different. Very different. This is rectangular, but this is different. Okay, nice. See inside. Got inside. I feel that it's almost the same thing. Volume up and volume down. Look at, so different. Wow. Power button. Okay, so above black and green. Nice. Let us review one interface. Might not black Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Look at that. Okay. Now get ready because I'm ready. First volume button, power button sometime is open. Just take it like what I had done. Something to put this inside. You need absolutely to have this cover now. So let's put this inside. And wow, the feeling is just different. Different feeling. Different is just different. I'm shocked. Can you see this? Not bad. Good feeling. Honestly, good. It's very good feeling. When touch, it's very good. Your finger here is nice. Now you can see camera here is open. You can clean easily when autofocus has a problem. And this is good, bro. This is good, bro. Not bad. Okay. Now put it inside. Nice. As you can see, it's black like the phone. This is something good. Can you see this? Very, very good. Nice. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 ROM. This is 110 ROM. Now open and you see what I'm talking about. Can you see this? Feeling different. Now it's good. Not bad. This is not bad. This is how my phone look like in 2023 with this new silicone cover. Now look at volume up and volume down. Let's test for the first time to see how it look like. Display button. Wow, the feeling is just beautiful. Display button. Nice. Great. Good feeling. This is nice. This is great. I love it. Volume down. Okay. Volume up. Oh, not bad. Good. Power button. Press power button. Can you see this? Oh, it worked. It worked, definitely. Definitely. What do you think? Let me know what do you think. And which between both do you prefer? Do you prefer the new one or this? Thanks for watching. God bless you. I also will try that video. And now I see you later for more videos like that. And GNANGSTUDIO for the YouTube channel, as you can see. Subscribe below. Subscribe because this is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you later for more videos. Yes, more videos.